dear students. I hope you enjoy this session, Keen on Geography. And in last lecture, till now, you have learned here what is rotation. Earth has two motion. One is rotation, second is revolution. So what is rotation, what is revolution, what is orbit, what is axis, all the things you must have learned here. And today we are going to learn here what is the effect of rotation. You know very much what is rotation. Earth rotate on its axis is called rotation, or you can say movement of or motion of the earth on its axis is called what? Rotation. So, and when it's come to talking about revolution, what is revolution? Earth's movement or motion around the sun is called revolution, and the path followed by the earth to round the sun is called orbit. Okay? And you also understood that earth is tilted 23.5 degree on its axis, and you also know that earth is rotate in 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay? This is all about last lecture recap. And now what is the effect of rotation of the earth? So rotation of the earth rotate on its axis. What is the impact of it on our lives and in the earth's life? So day and night phenomena is only caused by what? Rotation of the earth. Where when the earth rotates, which parts falls in front of sunlight, it is what? Day, and opposite to that particular side is what? Night. That means darkness. Okay? So diurnal, day and darkness and light is caused by rotation. Another thing is that temperature and humidity. The variation of temperature and humidity on earth only happen due to rotation. Okay? A standardized time zone. We have 24 hours time zone. Each 1 hours, 24 hour rotation, each 1 hour is a one time zone. We are decided. So, a standardized time zone is decided due to cause of rotation in 24 hours. Okay? So, it is also cause of rotation. Cause of tide. Okay? Due to rotation of the earth, the sea level falls and rise and falls. Okay? This phenomenon is called tide, and this is the twice in a day. Okay? And when sun, earth and moon, three objects, three heavenly bodies in a straight line, there is a big tide. Okay? Deflection of air current and ocean current. Deflection of ocean current. You know the rotation of the earth. From here you can observe it counterclockwise, that means anti-clockwise, and from this is look like clockwise rotation. So this is the only cause, the flowing of ocean current. Okay? And the air, deflection of air. Okay? So rotation is the cause of air deflection and the ocean current deflection. Okay? Now it is rotation, the pole, in the polar part, on pole earth look like flattened, and in equator it is bulging. Okay? And sun rises in the east and sets in west, is the only caused by rotation. Due to Earth rotate west to east, that's why sun rises in the east and sets in the west. One more thing is noteworthy. When you go in a motion, when you sit in a motion of train, you look like you have seen what object is what opposite direction motion. You feel opposite, but it is the stationary object, but it seems like it is rotating. Due to cause of rotation of the earth, it is happened. Okay, that is all about effect of earth's rotation. And what is revolution? And the topic of revolution we will discuss. So earth revolves the sun. You have definition of revolution. You must have known revolution is what? The movement or motion of the earth round or around the sun is called what? Revolution of the earth. Okay, this is revolution of the earth. If earth start from here to revolve the sun, this is the way of revolution of the earth, and the way is called orbit. Okay, the way, the path of revolution is called orbit, and this is not circular, this is elliptical, as I told you in earlier video. It is elliptical. Okay, so what is the impact of revolution of the earth? First, more important thing is formation of season. This is summer season, this is winter season, and here is summer season, here is winter season. This is decided only due to revolution of the earth. And the revolution time of the earth is 365 days and 6 hours actually. But for the convenience, we are skip 6 hours in 1 year. After 4 years, we add all the 6 hours. That means 4 times of 6 is 24 hours. That means 1 day. And this extra day is included in leap year. It is called leap year, and which is generally in general year we have 28 days in February, but in leap year we have 29 days. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Average travel distance of the earth in revolution is 150 million square, 150 million kilometer. Okay, and the average speed is slower when earth far away from sun, and it is what? Faster when it is closer to sun. That means this. Okay, so it is very clear. Revolution of the earth. I think the next topic will be very important, marvelous for you guys. So definitely you will enjoy it. Definitely you should watch this video, that video, because of what is the impact of inclination of the earth is very inquisitive question before you all. So keep watching. Thank you so much.